What would you do if you were Elon to convince investors to keep putting money into your business despite the fact that automotive manufacturing is just the start of their limitless potential? With his visionary prowess and relentless pursuit of innovation, Elon sets out on a quest to uncover enticing opportunities that will not only captivate investors but also yield significant financial gains. He forges ahead into uncharted territory, setting out to redefine accepted norms and open up a world of extraordinary profitability. Today, we have some exciting updates in the world of Tesla. We'll be covering new features of the Cybertruck. Before we get started, hit the like and subscribe buttons. And welcome to Only Pay. Let's start this video with a discussion of Tesla's venture into lithium refining and FSD updates. The first one of Tesla's top priorities continues to be its dedication to safety. They continuously develop software updates to improve safety features and crash prevention systems. The Model I recently received the highest score from Euro NCAP, demonstrating Tesla's commitment to safety. They gather information from their fleet of millions of vehicles and simulate actual crashes to design some of the safest vehicles on the road. Tesla is focusing more on Austin, Texas, where its new headquarters and Giga Texas factory are located, despite the fact that its frequent crash test in a main factory has been crucial in achieving exceptional safety scores. Tesla is constructing a new crash test facility in Austin, indicating that their upcoming vehicle iterations, including the Cybertruck, will go through rigorous safety testing next to an innovative project. With a single goal in mind, scaling up production and satisfying the ever-increasing demand for their cutting-edge vehicles, Tesla, the pioneering electric vehicle manufacturer, has taken an audacious step forward into the field of lithium refining. This strategic move is a response to the urgent demand for raw materials to fuel the ambitious expansion plans for the company. Tesla has set its sights on building a cutting-edge lithium refinery in the thriving city of Corpus Christi, Texas. To commemorate this momentous occasion, the company held an impressive groundbreaking ceremony that was attended by both industry leaders and Tesla enthusiasts. The ceremony served as a testament to Tesla's unwavering commitment to upend established paradigms and revolutionize the automotive industry. In order to avoid any potential bottlenecks that could put an end to their supply of this essential resource, Tesla seeks to ensure a sustainable and reliable supply. With their relentless pursuit of innovation, Tesla Lithium Refining has opened up a world of untapped potential and unparalleled growth weight, demonstrating the company's vision and adaptability while also positioning them as a formidable player in the larger energy ecosystem. Excellence-driven dedication and unwavering dedication to innovation beyond Elon Musk tests. The CEO mentioned that this refinery will be one of the largest in the world, producing lithium for approximately 1 million cars. Tesla is about to embark on yet another remarkable chapter in their quest to reshape the automotive industry and redefine what's possible. The journey towards a sustainable future has just taken a giant leap forward. Tesla wants to streamline their refining process, cut costs, and look into creative ways to repurpose byproducts for building. The refinery's location offers a number of benefits, including easy access to talent, close proximity to Austin, and convenient transportation via nearby ports. Moving on, there have been new sightings and teasers of upcoming features for the Cybertruck. The Cybertruck's alpha prototypes are still being tested at Giga Texas and Tesla's pilot production line. A recent photo shared by the Cybertruck Owners Club showed the Cybertruck's enormous windscreen wiper, which appears to be a permanent design feature. Additionally, the daytime running lamps have been moved from the front trunk to the front bumper. This change is most likely the result of adjustments made to the front truck's opening mechanism. Another video showed the Cybertruck's entire side profile, showing no significant changes to the side mirrors, but it's unclear whether the final version will make removal simple. As was mentioned earlier, the interior of the Cybertruck was on display at the Corpus Christi Lithium Refinery groundbreaking, and it included 2 front seats, a rounded-off steering wheel, and a large center touchscreen. Additionally, Tesla unveiled a tour rack created especially for the Cybertruck, indicating the exciting possibilities for truck accessories. Tesla has emphasized the Cybertruck's compatibility with third-party hardware, offering numerous mounting points for aftermarket customization. Even though the showcase tool rack was made specifically for the event, Tesla is reportedly developing various accessories for the Cybertruck, catering to different customer personas. Version 11.4, one of Tesla's full self-driving beta software, is being rolled out to employees and will be expanded as confidence grows. Elon Musk praised the significant advancements in this version and gave a sneak preview of version 12, which aims to achieve end-to-end AI control from image processing to steering, braking, and acceleration. Elon also mentioned that Tesla plans to provide a free month trial to all vehicles once SSD is seamless and not just safe. Once the feature is smooth and reliable, Tesla intends to give all Tesla owners a free 1-month trial of the full self-driving SSD feature. This will enable more customers to experience the features, capabilities, and make an informed decision about purchasing it in terms of software updates. Adding new features and enhancing the user experience are ongoing goals for Tesla. The Tesla app marketplace, which is a noteworthy component of the development, is comparable to app stores on smartphones. Third-party developers will be able to create and offer their own applications for Tesla vehicles through the Tesla app marketplace, which will increase the functionality of Tesla vehicles and give users access to a variety of fresh and cutting-edge features. Additionally, Tesla has been deploying V4 superchargers, which are capable of delivering faster charging speeds to improve the supercharger network. The V4 superchargers make use of cutting-edge technology to deliver quicker and more effective charging. Minimizing the duration of long-distance travel for the purposes of production and expansion, Tesla is progressing significantly. In order to meet the growing demand for Tesla vehicles and increase the company's global manufacturing capacity, 2 new factories, Giga Berlin in Germany and Giga Austin in Texas, are being built and are anticipated to start producing soon. Tesla is actively working to increase vehicle safety on a number of fronts, increase the production capacity, enhance the full self-driving feature, improve the lithium supply chain, and add new features and accessories to the Cybertruck. Innovation and sustainability are still at the forefront of the company's operations and recent news. Along with its electric vehicles, Tesla has been concentrating on the energy sector. The business has been increasing the amount of energy storage it provides, including the Powerwall and Power Pack, so that individuals, businesses, and even entire communities can use clean energy and lessen their reliance on the grid. Additionally, Tesla has been investing heavily in battery technology and production. The company aims to increase the production capacity of its battery cells while also lowering their cost. Tesla's energy products have gained popularity and have been installed in numerous locations around the world. Among the advanced battery technologies that Tesla is developing are solid-state batteries, which have the potential to have higher energy density and a longer lifespan than conventional lithium-ion batteries. Another significant Tesla is concentrating on entering the Chinese market. Model 3 and Model I vehicles are being produced at the company's Gigafactory in Shanghai for the Chinese market. The company has been increasing its presence in China, where there is a significant demand for its electric vehicles. Tesla's dedication to the Chinese market demonstrates its commitment to its global expansion strategy. Additionally, Tesla has been working to enhance its infrastructure for customer support and service centers. The company is growing its supercharger network and service centers to give Tesla owners easy access to facilities for charging and maintenance. Tesla is also working to make its supply chain more effective in order to meet the rising demand for its vehicles and speed up delivery. Last but not least, Tesla keeps developing its autonomous driving technology, while fully self-driving SD is still a work in progress. Tesla has been releasing regular software updates to improve the overall safety and expand the capabilities of the autopilot system. However, it's important to note that the automotive and technology industries are constantly evolving and new developments can arise at any time. It is recommended to stay updated through reliable news sources to track the latest developments regarding Tesla and other companies of interest, so make sure you see this. The company collects enormous amounts of real-world driving data to redefine the autonomous driving algorithms and aims to achieve full autonomy in the near future. See you in the following video.